And streams will also occur, possibly flooding low water crossings and farmland. Do not attempt to travel across flooded roads. Turn around, don't drown. Only when it is safe to do so, please. Flood emergency for City of Greenville. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a flash flood warning for central Greenville County in upstate South Carolina until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. At 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Greenville County Emergency Management is reporting numerous roads closed due to flooding across the city of Greenville along the Reedy River Basin. Structural flooding, including homes and businesses adjacent to streams, remains possible as the Reedy River and the Saluda River will continue to rise for the next 2 to 8 hours. This is a flash flood emergency for the city of Greenville, including Bay Area, Welcome, and areas adjacent to the Saluda River. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Please avoid all unnecessary travel and obey all barricades. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding due to heavy rain. Source, emergency management. Impact, this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses is ongoing. Flooding of some homes, businesses, and other structures adjacent to streams and low-lying areas remains possible. Seek higher ground now. Significant rises along the Reedy River and the Saluda River are ongoing, and areas of new flooding are expected to develop through Thursday evening, as it will take some time for area streams to crest. Numerous roads will remain closed across the warned area. Do not drive through flooded roadways. The Saluda River will see significant rises through Thursday evening and overnight, and impacts to adjacent areas are possible. Please stay weather aware and be prepared to seek higher ground through tonight. Some locations that will experience significant flooding include Greenville Downtown, Greenville East Side, West Greenville, Bay Area, Welcome, and possibly river flood product for the following counties in South Carolina: Anderson and Greenville. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a flood warning for the Saluda River at West Pelzer from Friday evening to Saturday morning, or until the warning is canceled. At 2 p.m. Thursday, the stage was 11.0 feet. Minor flood stage is 12.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river is expected to rise to near minor flood stage Friday evening. Impact at 12.0 feet. Flood stage is reached. Further flooding of woodlands and fields downstream of Gage will occur. Flooding of a home near Culbertson Court and Arden Road will begin. Greenville County. Homes on Azure Street, Anderson County will begin to flood. Plus impact at 11.0 feet. The woodlands along both sides of the river are flooding. Water will be in the backyard of one home on Arden Road near Culbertson Road. Parts of Pelzer boat ramp and yards of some homes along Azure Street in Anderson County will be flooded. Plus impact at 10.8 feet. Arden Road in Greenville County will begin to flood at its lowest elevation, which is directly across the Saluda River from the boat ramp in Anderson County. Do not drive cars through flooded areas. Remember, nighttime makes it difficult to recognize flooded areas.
GSP.
The latest stages and forecasts for rivers can be found on our webpage at http://water.weather.gov/index.php?WFO=GSP. Please report high water, flooding, and landslides to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWS GSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. The National Weather Service in